Today we're changing the cabin air filter on a 2007
It's
Honda
the right side of the
Accord.
glove box. This little, I don't know, hook thing. Just push it back. It'll release. That's your strut type thing, I guess. Then you push in on both sides of the glove box. It comes down. And your cabin air filter is right here. Gotta do them both at the same time. Push them in. Right. Yeah. And this one's on a tray. So just pull out. Ugh. Yeah. I'd say he needed one. It's pretty nasty. Swap it out. Alright, now you just push up from the bottom. And airflow arrow is down. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Just gently pop it up. And that's the original one too, from the Honda. It says right there, Honda. And the arrow is right here, right above my thumb. So that goes in the trash. You get your new one from wherever you get your parts delivered at, or your parts at. I happen to get this one on Amazon because we went to a big box store to get this and the air filter, and they're $15 a piece. I got this and the air filter for under 20. So, like I said in the past, it pays to shop around. Just line it up. As it goes this way, slips right in there. Push it down all the way. Make sure it's secure. It's good. Go back in the car. All right. Now, make sure there's no other debris. I don't see nothing. Insert back in. None of that. Clicked. We're good. Push the glove box. Got to be a little forceful with it for those things to clip on the sides, like so. Then you take your hook thing, slide underneath, pull towards you, click in, done. Good as new. Till the next video. Bonus, I guess you call it in there. For the cabin air filter, this is the engine air filter right here. And to replace it, there's 4 of these bolts here. There's one down there, one right there, one over there. There's supposed to be one down here. Where are we? Right there. But this one has one missing. I didn't, first time I ever touched it was today, so ain't me. But yeah, these are a little tricky. They're intimidating as can be. But all you gotta do is loosen up the 3 bolts, well 4 if you have it, and push just like crazy towards that way, towards the passenger side of the vehicle. And you barely have enough room, it'll just pop up. You don't gotta disconnect the hose, the sensor, and any of that stuff. Just push on it, a little oomph, it'll come right off. But the air filter in this one was pretty bad. It was this. From this angle, it's okay. But that was the other side. That was facing the inside of the air box. And you can see light through it a little bit. But like I said, in the cabin air filter, I bought both of these for under 20 bucks. So it wasn't a bad deal. All right, that's the end of this video for sure.